Blockchain technology is going to revolutionize the world. The way that we interact with each other, the way we pay for things online, and even the things that we do during our day. You might not even need that horrible 9-to-5 job anymore in the next few years. But in order to learn how to take advantage of all of these opportunities that blockchain is going to bring all of us, you have to know what blockchain actually is and how it works. So in this video, I'm going to tell y'all what blockchain technology is, but I hope to do it in a really approachable way because I know whenever I was first learning about blockchain, I didn't understand what anyone was talking about or what they were saying. So I've specifically created this video to be a lot more beginner friendly. So first off, why do we need blockchain? Why not just continue doing things the way that we're doing them right now? Well, I'm not sure if y'all have noticed, but the internet can be a little trash. Let's just pick 3 random problems out of the big, stinking dump that is all of the problems with the modern internet. First problem is that centralization gives way too much power to platforms like Amazon and Facebook. And whenever these platforms have a lot of power, the people working at them also have a lot of power. They can influence the way that the platform works. And not just that, but even down to like governments and the way that society is developing can be heavily influenced by these small groups of people or even a singular person, CEOs, good old Jeff Bezos. My dude. So not only are these companies getting really huge, but this is another problem. Our private data is being bought and sold and shared a lot of times without even our consent. And all of that data continues to stay private. We don't even get to use our own data to make more informed decisions. The third problem is a lack of trust and transparency on the internet. We have no idea if those people are actually 18 whenever they're clicking the acknowledge I am 18 button. We have no idea who we're trading with online or what their belief systems are, or even if we want to be doing business with this person in the first place. So blockchain is a technology that helps us solve these problems in addition to lots more. But why is it called blockchain, Ashni? Are these blocks actually on a chain somewhere? Who gets to own that chain, and why is it Flava Flav? When most people start explaining blockchain, they're gonna start talking about databases, but that can be a little bit confusing, so let's make it even simpler than that. I want you to imagine a spreadsheet. This can be Microsoft Excel or the far superior Google Sheets. Now imagine you put a ton of information in that spreadsheet. All of the information that happens to be on the internet. We can use functions and formulas in Google Sheets in order to find the information that we need to spend money on the internet or to verify someone's age. But it's just a spreadsheet, and if everyone can access all of that data and change it at any time, it's not really secure, it gets very risky, and they could turn you into a 144-year-old buffalo named Mike. So blockchain is just a way for you to store information without worrying that someday you'll be a buffalo named Mike. So when information on a blockchain is stored, it goes into a specific block, and the chain aspect comes in because each block includes information from the previous and next block in the chain. This means all blocks are linked together, and this is really important for security and trust, which are things we'll talk about in a minute. So blockchain can actually solve the problems I talked about earlier. How? Well, the centralization issue can actually be resolved by blockchain because blockchain is decentralized. There isn't a high concentration of power for just the people at the top who are in control. Blockchain power is spread among a bunch of people all across the world on a peer-to-peer network. Blockchain also helps your data from being bought and sold without your consent because all of the transactions that happen on a blockchain and all of the information stored on a blockchain is public information. At any time, you yourself can use a website to view anything that's happening on a blockchain. Now you might think here, well, won't people get my personal information about all the embarrassing things that I buy and am subscribed to? Very logical question, you weirdo, but don't worry, all of the information that is held on a blockchain is changed around by computers so that you can't be identified personally unless you choose to be. And blockchain also helps us resolve this lack of trust and transparency online because we can verify the things that we say about ourselves and the things that other people say about themselves by using blockchain technology. In the future, you will no longer be able to click on those 18+ buttons if you are under 18, my friends, so get it in while you can. The information I've given you about blockchain so far is just a very basic understanding, but if you really want to see where the opportunities are in all of the different things that are developing with this technology, I highly recommend you do tons of research. I'm going to leave a link down below that will include a bunch of articles that I've read on blockchain. I'll also leave a link to a course that I started taking on blockchain and have since graduated, so I kind of know what I'm talking about now, but you can take that course as well if you'd like to get blockchain certified. It's totally free and it will help you understand what the heck everybody is talking about. But speaking of, why is everyone so freaking excited about blockchain? Why will Twitter not shut up about NFTs and cryptocurrency? The reason is because, lean in close here, what I said to you at the beginning of this video was not a lie just to hook your attention. The blockchain is absolutely going to revolutionize the entire world. Banking, currency, healthcare, voting, community, digital collectibles, virtual experiences. There are so many new things coming. And if you don't start learning about these technologies right now, you're gonna get left behind in a big way. You might even be turned into a 144-year-old buffalo named Mike. If you don't want to get left behind, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be making a lot more videos talking about everything that goes into blockchain, NFTs, cryptocurrency, and more. I will see y'all soon. Bye!